Welcome back here in this Chapter 24 video tutorial on Macro and VBA Basic to Advanced video series. In this chapter, you'll learn about the IIF statement. IIF is the short form of immediate if. This works as the regular if function of Excel. Here in this Excel sheet, I have students' pass marks and mark obtained details. Requirement here is to calculate the result of the students. In this case, we can use this immediate if statement. As we used to do in previous chapters, first open VBA and create a module and sub-procedure. Define the variable dim I as integer. Set the value of I as 2, I equal to 2. To display the result of either pass or fail in D2 cell, write this code. Cells I4 value is equal to. Now put here the IIF statement. In the expression, put the logic for pass, that is, cells I3 value is greater than or equal to cells I2 value. Put a comma. In the true part, type pass. In the false part, type fail. Close parentheses. And hit enter. Let's run this code. Here you see, the result is given in the D2 cell. Now, to calculate result for all remaining students, combine either of do while or do until loop, which we discussed in the chapter 19 and 20. Let's combine do until loop. Before the IIF code, write this code for do until loop. Do until cells I1 value is equal to blank. After the IIF code, increase the value of I by 1 to iterate the code for every next row until a blank cell is found. Type I is equal to I plus 1. Press enter and type loop. Code is complete. Run this final code. Here you see, all results have been displayed. So, that was the use of immediate if statement in VBA. Thank you so much for watching this video. Consider subscribing this channel if you have not. See you in next chapter.